kids' world.
Meet Santa Claus, the jolly gift giver whose story begins centuries ago in the snowy landscapes of the North Pole. Legend has it that Santa's modern image was inspired by the Dutch figure Sinterklaas, known for his generosity and red attire. Santa's iconic red suit and white beard became popular in the 19th century, thanks to illustrations by artists like Thomas Nast. Did you know that Santa has a team of magical reindeer led by the famous Rudolph with his shiny red nose? Santa's workshop, hidden in the North Pole, is where industrious elves work year-round to create toys for children worldwide. The tradition of hanging stockings by the fireplace comes from the story of Saint Nicholas, who secretly gave gold to 3 sisters by dropping it down their chimney. In different cultures, Santa goes by various names, such as Father Christmas, Kris Kringle, and Père Noël. Santa's spirit of kindness and joy continues to inspire the magic of Christmas, bringing smiles to faces young and old each festive season.